Here is like an ivy wreath, and it took me, how long did it take me to make?
Seconds.
And I'll show you how to make one in a minute. The reason it's not finished is because I wanted to show you how you make this very basic wreath, and then you can just sort of decorate it. So here you could finish it with a little orange, or you could have the oranges going around the outside.
Nice.
You could have, here's a little Scandinavian, actually German straw star, which would look really sweet in the middle. Oh,
It all matches.
Exactly. You could have, we have these little, what they call little gnomey things, also Scandinavian. You could have a couple of them. I think they look really sweet. And then I quite like this because it sort of contrasts the sort of the naturey side of it with sort of the bling. You know, you could just add here. So here's a little Christmas baubles that my daughter loves, and you could just, with a bit of wire, you could just attach a whole set and put them all the way around, and I think would look really sweet. Or I will show you how to make it. Just 1 minute. Yeah, you can have a little robin stuck at the bottom.
See, I don't mind that.
That's actually really nice. How sweet does that look?
Perfect.
And this is actually sort of a Scandinavian idea again, and basically you can use any bendy, bushy thing, basically.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be this kind of ivy. This happens to be the ivy that Ali has in her garden.
All over my garden.
So you want anything that's sort of twiggy. Right, so let's show you how to make this ivy wreath. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these very simple wreaths. Like I mentioned before, you need any kind of garden material that's got sort of a bit of a bendiness to it. You know, obviously you can do it with willow or anything like that, but you know, just see what you can find, you know, in your local woods or in your garden. This is from my lovely neighbour's garden. Just some ivy, and all you need is basically a few strips. I didn't actually count them, I just went and got some, and all you have to do is, so you kind of find roughly the size you want, and then you start wrapping the twigs around. So obviously this worked beautifully earlier on, and let's see if it works again a second time. And you literally just wrap it around like this. I actually learned how to do this from a Scandinavian blogger. There we go. And then you just sort of keep tucking them in with each other. This is a really nice craft to do with family. So, you know, if you've got children, they can help you find things you need, and they can help you wrap. And to be honest, don't worry about it looking neat. You can kind of just tuck all the little extra bits in as and when. Oh, came undone. Again, I wouldn't panic about that. Just bring it together, you know, tuck it in, and then at the end you kind of shape it. You can help shape it a little bit. And I've only literally just learned how to make these, so it's really quick and easy. Just tucking it in between the other twigs to keep it in place. And I just love the idea that this is sort of totally natural. And then at the end of it, you know, it won't keep, of course, because the leaves will fall. But because it's such a quick wreath to make, I don't think it really matters. And what would also look quite nice if you have like a few of these dotted around your walls, say, and you can so easily match them up with any of the decor you've got going in your home. Like I showed at the beginning of the video, you know, you can use other natural items like oranges. You could go and find some hollies and some berries, and then you've got the holly and the ivy. Couldn't resist that, Ali. Or, you know, you can see how it works with a bit of bling. You know, not all bling will work, because it is very natural. You know, sometimes the contrast doesn't work, but sometimes it looks amazing. So really, I think it's just to have a little hunt around. What I think would look really nice is some paper stars to go with it. Look at that, it's really done. Isn't that quick? Enjoy and have